Sorry, I should have waited to make sure everybody saw. Good, Mr. Johnson. Judge, can I bring this Christian Harris in?
Yeah, I don't know who that might be, but sure.
Not on the deck. Christian, oh, he's an officer. Good morning, officer. Who are you here for today? Officer Harris? Officer Harris? Officer Harris? Uh,
All right. No, you okay?
36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Marlena Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there's no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no driving, no wearing of any head garments, except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Trent Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling. Where whatchamacallit go? Hold on a minute. Penny Robinson? Oh, there she is. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Trent Alexander Williams. This is ticket SP 144029411, one count open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Trent Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Trent Williams.
Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Mr. Williams would like a bench trial.
All right, if that's the case, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of January 31st of 2024. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
So is the court date for trial on,
Zoom. It's on Zoom. It's so dial in the same
Okay.
number. So
I think I got one for December 12th.
you have another trial before me?
I had a pretrial today, and then I have another trial
Let me see.
Wednesday, 12/6/23.
You got a trial before me that day. And you got a trial before me. Let me see. I'm not gonna move them because the officers wouldn't have enough time to readjust themselves. So once you get this ticket, let me see.
I believe we set it for that date because I'm starting a new job, and I really didn't want this to interfere with my new job because I'm on a probational period.
Is it in front of me?
Yes,
This case number is SP.
1440294
This is that case.
It says trial 10/30/23 or 12/6/23.
Right. So you're not even on my docket for today. So why are you here? I'll see you.
I have a
I do
pretrial
see you
for
here. It does say pre-trial. I think I did something wrong. This isn't right. He's you scheduled for 12/6, right, for a virtual trial?
yes.
All right, you're scheduled for 12/6, so I'll see you then, okay? For a trial,
Thank you.
okay? I don't know why you ended up on the docket today. I'm sorry about that. Okay,
Alrighty.
all right, have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
I will, bye-bye. All right, I don't even, I'm sure I don't need that, because I'm sure Carvel Williams,
Yes.
now calling the matters of the people versus Carvel Roland Williams. This is ticket SP 1114044. Count one, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count two, drove while unlicensed. Ticket SP 1181490. Count one, drove while licensed not valid or improper. Count two, render assistance to drag race in any manner, spectator. Ticket number SP 1235998. You looking all around. What you looking for if you're not driving?
Oh, no, I'm not driving.
I know you're not, but you looking all around. Look at the screen. Thank you. Ticket SP 1235998. Count one, drove with revoked license. Count two, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1241765, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1256559. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1267250, drove while licensed improper. Ticket SP 130342, driver's license never acquired. Count one. Count two, registration and or plate violation. Count three, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 131749. Count one, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1471042. Count one, drove with revoked license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1475609, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. And ticket 2070966601, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Carvel Williams.
Judge, I'd ask that you recall the warrant.
This time the court will recall the warrants that are out there on behalf of your client and enter a plea of not guilty. How are we proceeding?
Judge, Mr. Williams is requesting a bench trial. I provided information for betterdrivers.com in case there's a resolution which may help him on that day.
Okay, thank you very much for doing that, counsel. All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. Set this matter. Tickets. For February 2nd, at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today. Zoom in on that day, okay? February 2nd at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, he froze. Well, you're all set, bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you on February the 2nd, 9 a.m. via Zoom.
I had another question.
Yes.
I'm supposed to have another court date for the same stuff in December, I believe.
I probably pulled all your tickets. Let me see. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 on the docket. Let me see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You said you got another court date when?
I believe you said the 20th. I just don't have the paper with me right now. But we had went to court who's that? I think it was on the 16th last month. And y'all wanted me to go to Secretary of State and see what they were saying. And they were saying I couldn't get my license in 2027. And the paper that I was supposed to get printed out, they didn't print it out for me. It was supposed to be like some other tickets that shows up in their system.
And those might be civil infractions that went into default from a while ago. Let's see. Oh, you are scheduled for an arraignment on 12/4. Let me see if this is one of the tickets I called. Nope, I called the ticket. So I think I have all your tickets today, okay?
Yeah.
It's at 1:30 p.m. You got some new tickets?
Nah.
Well, I called that ticket. That was for 12/4. Nope, that's 12/4/20. I don't know. You got so many tickets. What would you say your next court date was? This is terrible.
I had it wrote down.
I ain't see. I don't know either. Trying to navigate. I hope we pulled all your tickets for today. If not, you don't remember the court date either. When you get back to wherever you're going, call the court and see if there are another day. That's the best I have for you today, Mr. Williams, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I got the court phone number is 313-965-2293.
That's right, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay? All right, you can log off, Mr. Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Harris. I had a quick question, if you're able to hear me.
Good morning. We couldn't get you to connect to audio for a while, so we were trying to get it together. Who are you here today on, Officer Harris?
I apologize. I'm here for the
It's okay.
case of 22735 7732 for Andre Williams.
Yep, he's here. He's in the hallway.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
give us 1 second, okay? You're in
Yes,
the right spot. We appreciate you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you.
All right.
Good morning, Judge. This is Officer Allison as well. I was having trouble connecting the audio. I'm here for Andre
You
Williams.
were. I don't know what's up with y'all, your audio this morning.
I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
Officers. Okay, it's okay. So you're here on Andre Williams too as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fantastic. So I think that's all the officers on that case. All right, I'll let you know when the attorney gets here. It's specially assigned. So we'll let you know as soon as he gets here, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
All right, you're welcome. All right, you ready, Attorney Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Williams, excuse me. Ms. LaWanna Webb Mitchell, I apologize.
Yes, that's her.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus LaWanna Joy Webb Mitchell. This is case number SP 1396507. One count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Oh, Ms. Mason on. Oh, yes. May it please on record. Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Ms. Webb Mitchell, present on Zoom, and consents to being present on Zoom.
All right. And Ms. Webb Mitchell, can you state your name for the record, please?
LaWanna Webb Mitchell.
All right. I know you're used to counsel being on, but typically they don't say anything unless they need to, Attorney Johnson.
Oh, thank you.
So have you reached some type of resolution in this matter?
Yes, Ms. Mason's moved to dismiss, no objection.
Okay. All right. So at
Early
this time, the
birthday
court.
present.
All right.
Present, excuse me.
You're hilarious. All right. So at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, ma'am. Thank your counsel and thank the court for this particular matter. Thank the city attorney.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Mason.
Thank y'all so much. God bless everybody.
Same to you. All right. Have a great day.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Mr. Zito? Joe Zito? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joseph Allen Zito. This is ticket SP 1499774. One count GDL 1 or 2 driver operating while using cell phone. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Zito. Mr. Zito, please state your name.
Joseph Zito.
Your Honor, Mr. Zito. Oh, I'm sorry.
No. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, Your Honor. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. I know Officer DeVoe is here as well. How are we proceeding? Go ahead, Attorney Robinson.
There's an offer that it'll be amended to impeding. We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket.
All right. Thank you so much. Stipulation to the face of the ticket. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge impeding responsible for that matter. Sir, the fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that fine. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am. That'll work.
All right. So I'll have it due no later than November 22nd, 2023. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day. You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Jocelyn Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jocelyn Williams. This is ticket SP 1350751, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is a matter set up for a delayed sentence. It looks like a dismissal upon payment. The fine was $200. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson on behalf of Ms. Jocelyn Williams. Ma'am, please state your name.
Jocelyn Williams.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding? I'm sorry.
Judge, Your Honor, Ms. Williams would like to take advantage of that very generous offer. She's asking for the grace from the court for 1 week grace period. She can pay today, but I don't know what time that'll be, what time she'll have the money in hand. There's a holiday tomorrow. So we're doing a little tap dancing here, or if the court would at least extend till Monday or Tuesday, if not a full week.
Why you ain't pay, Miss Williams?
I'm in school and I had to pay that, and I have other bills, but
next time when someone asks you to pay something, you don't have to pay it all at once. You're not the only person who suffers from this, but y'all think unless you have all the money at one time, then you can't pay it. You could at least put a little money down, $50 here, $20 there. That way you end up paying it off in no time. And then when you come back to court, it doesn't say $0 paid. It says some money paid, right? She froze. Her phone must be ringing. All right, off the record in that matter, I'll come back. I don't know what happened to her phone. All right. On Jenna Warden, she was here yesterday. She has valid docs, Attorney Robinson.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jenna Warden.
Hi, yes.
Hi, you can turn your camera on for me, please.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jenna Saria. Sierra, I knew it was something. Sierra Warden. This is ticket number SP 1511323. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count, what you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm sitting down.
Have a seat. Okay, it's gonna be 2 seconds. You done got up and started moving all around. Sit down, Miss Warden. I'm gonna get you out real quick. Okay, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson on behalf of Ms. Janae Warden. Ma'am, please state your name.
Janae Warden, Janae Sierra Warden.
All right. Yesterday, she appeared before this court and showed valid documentation. I was unable to place it on the record, so we had her come back this morning. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for having valid docs. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Same to you. Thank you. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Jocelyn Williams. Ms. Williams?
Yes.
This matter was called on the record already, ticket number SP 135075151. Ms. Williams lost some connection somehow. I was lecturing her about the fact that you should don't wait until the last minute to try and give all the money. If you got a little bit here and there, because let me tell you what irritates or bothers me sometimes is that people won't pay anything at all. So then they'll come and it won't even be like $20. It's just nothing. And then they say, I need more time. $200 is a lot of money, especially when you're a college student. But if you have a little bit in there and I see you making some efforts, it makes a lot stronger argument for me to be like, oh, yeah, they at least put down something. They didn't want to come in empty handed to the court, especially for a dismissal, Ms. Williams.
Sorry.
All right, I'm gonna give you until, no, is a week from now realistic?
Yeah.
All right, I was giving you till November 30th. This better be paid since you said you got it.
Okay.
All right, so I'll adjourn it until November 30th, 2023. Come at 8:45 for your review. As long as it's paid, I'll dismiss it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fair?
Yes.
Okay, so that gives you a couple of extra weeks. So that means that when you get the money this week, put it down, and then that might give you a little bit more time to get a little bit more money, and then put that down the next time, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Williams, okay?
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. All right, Attorney Robinson, the only person we should have left. I don't know if Devin Wilson is yours, and he hasn't signed in yet. Did they have you assigned to another courtroom today too, Attorney Robinson?
No.
Oh, a lot of times they will, because I don't have that many people on Thursday. All right, can you wait 15 minutes? I just want to see. I can't remember. Did Devin Wilson have assigned counsel, Attorney Mason? Do you remember? I would think he would for the trial on Monday.
I think it's Attorney Miller.
Who was it?
I think it's Attorney Miller.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and definitely has assigned counsel.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
hopefully we
can I
have
get
that soon.
breakout room privileges, please?
Yes, you
Prosecutor, thank you.
And Attorney Kowinski.
Yes,
Kowinski.
You got it the first time. You got it.
Yes, okay. All right, so we have a bench trial today
Oh man.
on some matters. And Andre Williams, all the officers are here. Hold on, let me not lie. Officer Harris is here, Officer Olson is here. Yep, the officers are here. Did you want me to put, and I believe, okay. One ticket is I'm gonna put all of y'all in the same room.
Oh,
Yeah, I need to go in there with them.
Okay, I closed the rooms. That's why you couldn't get in. Let me open the rooms. That's why I was saying I need you to go in too. So let's go into room number 2. I put everybody in room 2.
All right.
Officers, room 2.
Judge, do I hang out or is there a retained counsel?
Let me see. I think it's retained counsel, so you should be good. Can you just leave your phone number in the chat for me, please? I'll send you, and then that way, if I need you, I'll just call back. But you should be good.
Or you just want me to stay here till 9:45 or?
Well, let me see, because we did. It looks like we did Jocelyn Williams, we did Webb, we did Trent, we did everybody, and the last people have assigned counsel, so you're good.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Judge,
Yes.
I changed the timer for the breakout room to close to 6 seconds instead of 30.
Fantastic. I appreciate it. I just be closing out because I be wanting to see everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Attorney Mason?
Yes, Your Honor.
I know you're probably handling some stuff in the other courtroom. Will you have like a moment to come down here and talk to the attorney? He's in person in the courtroom about Mr. Williams. I know you went into the room and talked and found out what the offer was, so he can know what it is.
Which one is that? Trent Williams?
He's gonna go up. No, it's gonna be Andre Williams. I'm sending him up to your office right now. Okay, it's Attorney Whitey.
Okay.
Okay. It's the one you talked to for those two officers, and it's a state matter too. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Manuel Wells. Oh, he an officer. Mr. Wells?
Yes, hello.
Hello, why are you here today?
I am here as a witness to a case.
For the
For
what matter?
it is case number 2273-57732.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'll put you in a waiting room. You're a witness for the defense?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, all right.
Yes, Your Honor.
I thought I sent him up there. All right, let me put you on hold. They're partially in the building and partially they're trying to work something out. So I'll let you know, okay?
Okay.
Okay, put yourself on mute. You were
Yes,
in my
ma'am.
courtroom.
Yes, Your Honor. You said what?
You
I'm
had a
sorry.
matter yourself. Okay, all right, put
Me?
yourself on
I
mute.
do?
Yeah. No, I said you did.
Oh, possibly at some point.
No, possibly.
Maybe.
I remember people. I remember your picture that you
Okay.
had up.
Okay.
Okay, that doesn't mean that you can't do anything. I'm not saying that. I just remember you being in the courtroom. So put yourself on mute. I'll let you know, and you'll hear when the stuff happens. Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until we're ready. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Wells. I
Yes,
appreciate you.
absolutely.
All
I
right.
appreciate you. Okay.
Okay.
Devin Williams is here, Jen.
Good. Thank you.
Did I put him in the breakout room? Mr. Williams, Wilson, will you please turn on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Devin
Good
Williams,
morning.
are you Devin Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to put you in the breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney about your case.
Okay.
Okay, Judge, I talked to Attorney Whiting. He's going to talk to his client. I sweetened the deal.
I appreciate that. And then Devin Wilson just signed on. I'm waiting for his attorney to sign on to talk to you, and then that'll be it.
Okay, sounds
Okay,
good.
cool. All right.
I still have no PO.
I know. Okay. Yes, Officer Olson?
Yes, I had to rejoin. I was just
Oh, okay,
requested for
cool.
Judge Millhouse.
No, that's
So
cool.
I'm done with Judge Millhouse, and I'm just in your courtroom. You all right?
Okay, excellent. We should hopefully be wrapping up pretty soon. I thought you just came out because you needed to go someplace. Cool, Officer Olson. Mr. Wilson,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have a signed counsel?
I done had three different court appointed attorneys.
Did you ever have a signed counsel?
Well, the original one was a woman, and then I had the dude that was in the courtroom. The last time we was in the other lawyer, and then this time that scheduled this one was the other guy.
Okay, so the answer is no.
Yeah.
We were scheduled for a jury trial on Monday, so that really doesn't happen, but I know you want to try and resolve this. All right, let me see if I can get an attorney back. And I didn't realize you didn't have counsel assigned to you. How are we proceeding on this matter?
Hey, Judge, excuse me, I couldn't hear the officer, what he said. Could he?
Somebody gotta come back.
I think Mr. Boffman's next door doing prelims.
Is he?
Yeah, I think he's live. He's live. I know he's live. He's down here. I saw him.
Okay,
You want me to go grab him?
I'm gonna need somebody. Cause he talked to you. Talked to Attorney Boffman the other day, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, he handled my previous case.
Okay. All right.
With the court's permission, do you want me to go? See if I
Yeah,
can
see if
get him.
you can get him, because he talked to
Okay.
him. So I just want to see
Okay.
if it can go.
Hold on. This is the prosecutor, Dia Mason. I put a call into both Attorney Robinson and Attorney Boffman. I didn't see Attorney Boffman anywhere in the hallways. I checked some of the courtrooms. I also left a voicemail message for both he and Attorney Sarah Robinson, the Devon Wilson case.
Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Boffman. This is the
Yes.
prosecutor. They need you.
Yeah. So, did I just put myself in the breakout room by accident?
Yeah,
Oh, no, we're in the
Miss
main
De-
section. Okay.
Devin Wilson is a case that was, I think it's set for jury trial on Monday. We're here today for the final conference. He spoke to several lawyers. You might have been the last one, who knows. We don't seem to really know if we have an appointed attorney on this case, but I don't
Can
have
you
a
give
note.
me 1 second? I'm sorry, I just got Judge Bryant Weeks. I'm gonna finish up a sentence. I'll be
Okay.
right back.
Okay.
What day of the week is that? Oh, yeah, it's something up there. You can look and see it's not a lot. It's never a lot. I'm not coming back anymore Thursday.
I'm here.
None of my stuff working. Bills.
For the record, Brian Schaff, on behalf of Ms. Owens, piece of safety 71, and she would like to avail herself.
No, what was that? Ooh, that white sauce ain't no joke. Lord, I wasn't ready for that. I was gonna get a quiet boy. It was not. It was a loud boy.
Well, the prosecutor has my permission to sign my name and Ms. Owens, the court with her signature. And I did speak with her and she prepared with proofs on the record.
Come back, you can talk to him.
Okay, I'll check back then. Thank you.
Yes. No, my back is on fire. No, the loud ones don't usually stink. It's usually the quiet ones that see by me. Be like, oh Lord, he died in my thighs. Oh, no, that noise was because I had to get up off the ground. Whew.
Judge, do I have 5 minutes to step away from the computer?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you sure? I mean, it can wait if they're coming back soon.
I don't know when they coming back. That's between them and their maker.
You know, Boffman did check in.
I heard you check in. You didn't see me, but I heard everything. So I'm just waiting. I know he's in Judge Brian's courtroom, so I just gotta wait for him. Did you have an offer for him based on like today's happenings?
I don't have an officer.
Okay.
So, I mean, I suspect the judge to do what the
Okay.
judge would
I
do.
just didn't know. So I'm that's kind of okay. Okay. Don't have to say a lot. I got you. I was trying to figure out. Attorney Boffman, you remember talking to Mr. Wilson on, I think that was the 6th, so that would have been Tuesday, about this case. The officer in charge
Okay.
for one of the charges to come out. I know he wanted to plead to one of the cases, but we were trying to see if we could resolve everything. That officer didn't come. So could you just talk to him
Okay.
briefly and then we can handle this matter?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay,
Good morning,
go back
Mr.
to
Wilson.
room. We're gonna go to
That's
room
great.
number 3.
Okay, thank you.
Can
I'll
you
be right back.
rejoin 3, Mr. Wilson, and then we can handle this? And then give me 1 second. I'ma come on. Got it. Stay co-host.
Okay, I'm sorry. What's the offer?
On Wednesday, that we were trying to figure out, or Tuesday, we were trying to figure out. So it was like an offer for some of his other tickets that he had, but also for this obscene conduct. We're trying to see if the officer in charge would come today for the trial. He's scheduled for a jury trial on Monday. So the other offers were a failed to display and a 1 to 5 for a Center Street left turn ticket.
Okay. So I
Okay.
assume the offer for the indecent obscene conduct is disorderly conduct.
Well, the officer in charge didn't come today, so
Okay, so that'll be
okay. You can make a motion.
I'll be right back. I got
Okay,
it done.
go.
It's about to get handled. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay,
And
thank
the
you.
other officers are here for, I'm sorry, forget what I said, just forget what I said.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Wilson, go back to that room, number 3. Hit on your thing to break out and go to room number 3.
I'm back, Judge.
Okay, thank you. All right, we're gonna call this matter now. Miss Sandy, you ready?
Why you here?
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Are you okay, officer? He said, why they hear him? Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I just got to work. I'm
No.
talking to an officer.
No, it's okay. I just want to make sure you okay. You all right?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, okay, all right. All right. Miss Sandy, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, cool. I know you told me you came back, but I just wanted to make sure. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Martini Williams. This is ticket number SP 1411139. One count failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she was carrying a weapon. Ticket number SP 1411138, reckless driving. Ticket number 7357773, count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Dennis Whitey, P79560. On behalf of Mr. Williams, please state your full name for the record.
Andre Martini Williams.
Okay. All right, counsel. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. I do want to say that Officer Olson as well as Officer Harris are both appearing online, as well as a witness for Mr. Williams has appeared online today. But how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, after speaking with the prosecutor and the officers through other unconventional means, we've come up with a resolution that my client would like to take advantage of, and that would be the first count of reckless driving would be reduced to failure to use due care and caution, which is a 2-point civil infraction ticket, with the second reckless driving to be dismissed, the no ops on person to be dismissed, and the disclosed CPL state statute would be converted to the city ordinance, which reduces the fine significantly to $100.
It does. Okay. You understand that, sir? Yes. If you're ready to take these pleas, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear.
Okay, move closer, because you got a light voice, and I want to make sure you got it. All right, sir, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or force you or promise you anything outside of what we said on the record today?
No.
All right. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. First, I'm going to take you to the day of December 13th of 2022. Were you driving a Honda vehicle in the area of Alter and Waveney?
Yes, but Judge, is it possible to address the tickets in the order they were issued?
Yes, I can.
I think that has a significant reason as to why I did.
Okay, I will. I'll start with the ticket on November the 13th of 2022. Is that what you mean? You want to start with that ticket? Okay. All right. Were you driving a Honda vehicle in the area of East Grand River and Library Streets in the city of Detroit?
Woodward and Grand River.
Okay.
Yep.
And while you were driving in that area, did you drive in a manner that was reckless in nature, not using your signal, not using the care and caution to switch over lanes?
No.
No, you weren't driving like that, or?
I wasn't.
Okay.
Judge, I believe the amended charge to the civil infraction for due care and caution changes that to a civil infraction. Given that, we can admit
it does
on the face of the ticket.
I was about to say it's not a civil infraction. To fail to use due care or caution is it's still
No,
a
Your
misdemeanor.
Honor, this is the prosecutor. It's failure to use due care and caution with a utility vehicle. That's a misdemeanor.
Vehicle. Yeah.
Passing a utility vehicle, that's a misdemeanor.
Yeah. It's a misdemeanor.
So I just want to be clear, this plea is a civil infraction, though, correct?
No.
Oh, I thought she was first. I just want to be clear, from the prosecutor's standpoint, this is still a misdemeanor then, is that correct? Or is it a civil infraction?
We cannot reduce misdemeanors to civil. So a misdemeanor gets reduced to a misdemeanor.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
Okay.
Mr. Wells, there is no eating and drinking in court.
I just go trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
This is
Judge,
the
yeah, I
officer.
think so.
All right. Judge, actually, just given that, my client, we're ready for trial.
Okay. All right.
We're ready.
Oh, yeah. All right, let me put this witness in the waiting room. Officer Harris, I'll do your trial first. You need the tickets, Madam Prosecutor? Okay, come get the ticket. Attorney Baldwin, you ready on your matter?
I am, Your Honor. Would you please restate the offer on the traffic matters?
So the
I think there
traffic
are 5
matters
of them.
would be, I know, so it's plea to 1 to 5 for a pass on right. The other 2 tickets will be dismissed. And then a fail to display on drove while license was suspended.
Perfect. I am going to be ready. Just let me go back in with my client and we'll both come back out with your permission in about 2 minutes. Is that okay?
That's fantastic. I'll do yours before I handle the other stuff. So I'll take care of that.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Well.
They need you back, Attorney Baldwin, so you may have to sign out to do this. So you want to do it real quick? Okay, unmute yourself. All right. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Terrence Wilson. This is U ticket 663-37623. This is 1 count indecent or obscene conduct. Ticket number SP 1385515. 1 count pass on right. Count 2 failed to use seatbelt. Count 3 failed to signal. Also calling ticket SP 1385555. Count 1 no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 no driving while license suspended. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Counsel, can I have your appearance for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. What's your name, sir?
Devon Wilson.
Judge, we have a resolution. The defendant is going to make a factual basis to 2 of the counts. The remaining counts will be dismissed either by agreement or for failure of the complaining witness to appear. Officer Landrum, I believe, did not appear for the final pretrial. So we're moving to dismiss on that case. The other cases will be resolved by way of plea. The defendant's been advised he's ready to give a factual basis. On his behalf, I stipulate to the information contained within the four corners of the complaint for the moving violation. Thank you.
All right, that's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of September 7th of 2022. Were you in the area of Southfield and West McNichols in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And was your license suspended at that time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and your counsel has already stipulated to the other ticket in this particular matter. So are you satisfied, Attorney Boffman?
I am satisfied, and I stipulate the probable cause as to each of the matters to be dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge responsible 1 to 5 speed. The other remaining 2 counts on that ticket will be dismissed. And 1 count of the amended count of fail to display. And that remaining count on that ticket will be dismissed, sir. Amend to FTE. Okay.
Your Honor, would you consider a community service for the misdemeanor?
I'm gonna just get on the misdemeanor. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines because he has been so diligent and he came back and waited. So I will waive the cost and fines on that ticket for you, sir. On the other ticket, it is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Do you need more time than that, sir?
No, ma'am. I'll DoorDash to get the money.
Okay.
I'll
Well, work
DoorDash.
hard to get that money, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna have it due no later than November 22nd, 2023, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You said how much was it again?
$125, okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you, Attorney Boffin. Now get back. I appreciate you so much right now.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a happy
All right,
holiday.
thank you, Mr. Wilson. All right, you have a great day. Have a great holiday, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You also.
I will. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You can go ahead and come over to the box. All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus Andre Martini Williams. This is ticket 735773, counts 1 and 2. Ticket SP 141139, count 1. And ticket SP 141138, 1 count reckless driving. Appears for the record, starting with counsel for the city.
Yes, Your Honor, for the record, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit Prosecutor, P number 43471.
All right.
And good morning again, Your Honor. Dennis Whiting, P 79560, on behalf of
It's okay.
Mr. Williams.
Morning. Andre Martini Williams.
All right. Counsel.
At this time, Your Honor, we'll be making a motion for an adjournment at this time. We see that defense counsel and his client are in the courtroom presently at this time. We feel it would also be an advantage for us to have our witness, the OIC officer in charge of this case who wrote the ticket, to be in the court as well. I think it would be more efficient to have all parties present for this trial.
Your Honor, we oppose that motion. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, because on all these trials, I asked for an in-person. I had another one before, Your Honor, where I got confused. I believe this is the case I confused that with, where we asked for in-person witnesses. When I arrived this morning, I had no problem accommodating the witnesses. We're on Zoom and making diligent inquiry. Of course, we thought we might be resolving it too. But given the fact that today is the day and time set for trial, if the people aren't ready, the more appropriate thing to do is dismiss and reissue if they think it's that important. But we're ready to go today, standing here, ready for his trial, his day in court.
And typically on the back of the trial, I'll put in person. I think you have another one that's in person.
A lot with you, Judge.
I know, and I'm like, I didn't put in person on the back of these tickets, so I actually was surprised to see.
But even if so, Judge, even if the court finds that that request wasn't made or there was a clerical glitch or whatever the case may be, we're ready to try the case today.
Are y'all gonna go home and get on Zoom?
We're in the courtroom. He's in person. We can do it.
Because everybody has to be on the same mechanism. So that's my question. Are you gonna go home and get on Zoom?
Well, if the court's not going to dismiss, we should probably just do it a different date. My recommendation. But we would still ask the court to dismiss if the people aren't ready to proceed.
We here. I was about to say, and that's why I was gonna go back and if I asked for it to be in person and I just didn't put it on the back of the ticket, that's something different for me, as opposed to saying I like to do everything.
Just to bring the court's attention, maybe for procedure, I don't know, maybe the city has agreed with the state, but we need a state prosecutor.
We do need a state prosecutor. Thing is, I don't have a lot of time for these. Okay. January. Next Thursday I have is January 11th. No, you're fine. In person.
January 11th, I'm in felony trial.
Okay.
Halfway across the street.
That's fine. No, I'll go to the next Thursday. January 18th. I feel like that's a
Excellent,
holiday.
Judge.
Because if it's gonna be a real trial, my dockets are crazy on the other day, so I have to do it on a Thursday. I ain't gonna be, because we'll be sitting around forever, and I won't be able to give my staff a break, which is when I get in trouble. So Thursdays are like gonna be the only days, and I already have a trial.
I don't know if we set it far enough out, you might be able to build around that February 8th. I know it's later, but I'm free completely that day, and that might give the court time to build other things around it, however.
Okay. February 8th works for the court. February 8th.
Can I check with my officer, Your Honor, to make
You
sure he's not
can.
on furlough?
Officer Olson? Officer
Yes,
Harris?
Your Honor.
Are either
Officer
one of you
Olson.
on furlough on February the 8th?
I'm looking for my furlough right now.
Okay,
Yes, I am as well.
I would not be
Okay.
on furlough.
okay. That's Officer Olson.
I am good as well, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, you'll get subpoenas for it, but we wanted to check before we did something and then was it impossible? So February the 8th in person at 36 District Courtroom 337. Let me bring in Mr. Wells.
Judge, did the court want to schedule like 10:30? Did you have the docket that day?
I have one review on that docket that
Oh,
day.
nice. Okay. Wow.
Thursdays are my light day, so I can try and handle some of these other matters I need to handle.
I
So,
like it.
yep. So they may put arraignments on the bench warrants. So we can set this at 9:30 a.m. that day. 9:30 a.m. to give people plenty of time to get here. 9:30 a.m. Mr. Wells, we are moving this trial until February 8th. February 8th. Okay, and
Yes.
in person though, so talk to them and figure out what you're gonna do, because it's gonna be in person, so you physically have to come down here.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That's
all right.
the February 8th.
February 8th, and it's a Thursday at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, Vaughn
Thank
will
you.
continue if there's nothing further.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Happy to take this.